Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is bundle time. And what does bundle mean? It means you're going to save money. This is the fast version of the video. Go watch the other version after you go buy the bundle because you don't want to miss out. Number one, dun, 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 there is a stencil to our club set. Yes, you know I'm going to do it. I did it again. Stencil for the club set. Then there are words because we need more words, right? So here, life is better with waves. Hello, sweet summer. Lots of fun, awesome things. Then there is this amazing 5x7, but you can use it for A2 as well. Background. It's got everything in it, right? So awesome. Last but not least is one of my favorites. You guys loved the butterfly so much. Now you can get the shell version with lots of fun words. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Yes, it's on flash sale the first 24 hours. It's on the website. Club members, yes, you get the discount, your club discount. So you technically could get the flash sale discount, the bundle discount, and your club discount. Go to the website, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.